Good morning, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please hit that subscribe button, like this video, and stay tuned for more. All right, so today I'm going to show you guys how I used to make my son's baby food. We're just gonna do applesauce because he can eat that with breakfast right now. We're going to be using the Baby Brezza. This was such a lifesaver. Let me tell you, he never had constipation. I knew exactly what he was eating, and it's quick and easy. So I'm just gonna show you how I make his applesauce. So first I need to clean about 2 apples. Let's do 2 because he can have some for later. I'm using the Gala Apples. So I'm gonna go wash these and I'll be right back. All right, so the apples are cleaned. And what I like to start off by doing is peeling the skin off first. I find that it's way easier just to peel it off first, and then you can just cut the, they call it the meat. You can cut the meat off the fruit that's inside, the actual apple, a lot easier. He's ready to eat, if you could hear him. I'm gonna close the lid. And I like to use bottled water, purified water, so it doesn't mess up the inside of the machine. And it's just easier to pour in there. So you gotta make sure you got some water in there in the steam basket. Pop this baby back on. And then secure it. We're gonna press steam for 20 minutes and start. And that's it. All right, guys, so now what we're going to do, since it's done steaming, we're going to pop it off and drain the water in here. Then, so you can see most of the water's gone. Now we're just gonna start pureeing. As you can see, it's already at a good consistency for applesauce, but I want it to be a little more fluid. So I just added a little bit more water and we'll blend it some more. And that's it. We have applesauce. We have applesauce. And we have these cute little containers, like little pouches we can put them in. So we're just gonna pop this off. And it's hot, so be careful. He started dancing. So yeah, that's all to it, guys. Junior, I'm trying to make a video. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you would like to see me make some other type of baby food, just comment down below and I'll be more than happy to do it. I'm just making this to go along with his breakfast. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. So I'm just gonna let this cool down, pop it in here, and he can just eat it right out of there. And that's it, guys. So without further ado, thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. We're on the road to 50. I love you guys. Thank you so much. Peace out.